Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we want to cover Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which just released a few days ago, and according to the article it should be one of the best software engineering models right now. So if you can see here, as you can see here, the comparison between the new model and the other top models, and it's way better. So let's test it out if it really is and what results we get within Bolt.diy. So let's jump there. So at the moment you can use it via Open Router, and soon you will be also able to use it with Anthropic directly, as Aneba did a change to load the models dynamically instead of static as they are right now. So I guess it's tomorrow in, and yeah, then you can use it as well in the main branch. So the stable will take some time. Okay, let's go back to Open Router 3.7. Let's use it and let's do a quick showcase of the features. So I use the standard features, so I did not change anything. Use the default prompt, just and then let's create the standard build to-do app here on the bottom, and let's see what results we get. Okay, starter template failed because I'm not connected to GitHub and I'm testing the whole day and I run in some rate limits, I guess. But doesn't matter. Let's see how it performs without a starter template. So it's a good test to see how good it is. That was pretty fast. Okay, React is not defined. Let's see if it can fix it itself. So I do not pause the video so you can see in real time how it performs. Can dismiss as it is still implementing. Okay, still buggy. Let's try it again. Okay, done. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that was working. Let's try with the optimize prompt. Let's switch to the optimize prompt and let's see if we get better results or no results at all. We do the same. Build a to-do app. Again, without a starter template. Maybe let's see if I can connect. Do I have? Yes, it's okay, it's the wrong one. Okay, then we test without. Okay, it takes a bit longer with the optimized, but it's working. Yeah, looks a bit cleaner in my view. Everything working, we can change, yeah. So this is not bad. Let's try something more difficult maybe. Implement a start page for a t-shirt shop. Yeah, let's enhance the prompt, see what we get. Okay, this is not working. It starts directly implementing some stuff instead of just giving back the prompt or the enhanced prompt. But this is a problem of the Bolt system prompt, so this is something we need to fix. I skipped this. So enhancing is not working. So let's just try this simple prompt. Maybe use React and Tailwind CSS, and let's see what we get. Okay, it's using images from Unsplash as R1 does and some other models. Meanwhile, it also takes a little bit longer. It also implemented a shared SVG. Let's see how this turns out. Looks like. Okay, it's done. That's not looking bad. Let's try the external preview. Yeah, the navigation is not working, but the rest of it, for just a simple prompt, looks pretty good in my view. So maybe let's try to implement some feature or some a page, a specific page. Implement the collections page and make it work. Mock the shopping cart functions. Okay, let's see. But I think that's still a very good base to develop further and implement an app you can use. Let me know in the comments what you think. Try it out yourself. Let me know if I should do other videos on that and test some stuff out. Okay, I will pause the video now. This takes very long and I'm back when it's finished. Okay, I'm back and I will now stop the process because I think it's stuck. It re-implements the files again and again and does not stop. As you can see here, it creates the header, but it was created here already. So it's an endless loop, how it looks like, and it burns just tokens. So I will stop this now. Let's see if there's anything working anyway. So do npm install and npm run dev and see if it is working or not. No, okay, there's something broke. Let me quickly check. We are on the optimize prompt. Let's try this again with the normal default prompt. Maybe the optimize prompt is a problem. Let's just write continue and it should hopefully finish it. Let's see. Okay, it's generating response. Okay, I will pause again and I'm back. Hopefully without a loop. Okay, it now finished. This time without any loop, as you can see. So the default prompt is working. And let's see what is working. We got now filters. Wow. That's working everything. Can we clear? Yes, that's also working. Let's check this. Oh yeah, sorting is also working. Collections. We already on. No. Okay, the links still not work, but the shopping cart is kind of. Yeah. We can put stuff in the shopping cart. So this looks very good. So it looks like a 3.7 Sonnet is just working with the default prompt, but that's no problem at all. It's anyway the standard if you don't change. Yeah, I think it's pretty amazing. So this is a model you can work with, especially for starting up a new project and then maybe go, if you have a good base, then you can go to a free model. So then switch to Google 2.0 Flash, for example, and finish your app for free. But yeah, I would always recommend trying out 3.5 or 3.7 Sonnet then, because you get pretty good results, as we can see here. Okay, that's it for this short video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Test it out. Don't test it out with the optimized prompt, although you want to burn tokens if you don't recognize until they are gone. So we can quickly check. I started with about $9.80. So yeah, half of the tokens burned, I guess, was because of the loop. So it's okay. So, and it's not the we go back here, 3.7 Sonnet has the same price as the 3.5 Sonnet model. So maybe the 3.5 Sonnet will get cheaper then in the future. But at the moment they are at least the same price, so it's not more expensive than the old model. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think, and hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.